Okay, welcome to this much better quality video to show you this, because last time I did it, it was horrible because of recording in a noisy mall, which was a stupid idea. Anyhow, this is DMaker version 8. Oh, whoops, I opened the wrong one. Well, the main difference between 8.1, the new one, and this is 8.1 will allow you to take a little screenshot of this area of the view area. I don't know if you can see my mouse because I think I turned that off on Hypercam. Um, anyhow, as you can see the controls, Z to save, Q to quit, WASD to move up, down, left, right, and stuff. T and G to go up and down, because this is the 3D version right here that I'm using for this example. But there is a 2D version if you don't want that. C to choose material, so it gives you this big old list. You enter a number, and now if you look, it says at the top current material, and it shows it, and XYZ, it shows your coordinates. V to enter a symbol from the keyboard. P to place the material where you're standing. X grabs the material that you're currently standing on to put it as the one that you have selected. And then O to output a little note about where you're standing so that you can do stuff with it. Right now I loaded objects. Oh yeah, so I'm walking around in what's going to be the small space station design for a new game that I'm working on. This little map in DMaker I made, this isn't the actual gonna be the map that you play on. I'm using DMaker to assemble it in my mind before actually putting it in the game. As you can see, this is like a bar right here. See, there's a B on the door for bar. This is that's supposed to be changed to a T right here, so I'll just fix that while I'm here. For the trader shop, this is ship parts store, and this is the armory, and this is like a landing pad right here. These are chests, another landing pad. This is like the force field to get in and out. And then right here we have the design for the ship that you start with right there next to me. This is a design for an asteroid. This is a design for the, like when you're in space, you come up and you go here to dock, and this is the outside, this is the inside right here. So that's what I've been working on. I just saved, and basically the idea behind DMaker, it stands for Dungeon Maker, because I thought like making classic RPG games, and what better way to say classic RPG than dungeon. And so basically the idea is it's a map maker, and it has some stuff with the zip file when you download it that you can check out what to do, how to use it, and you can basically, the idea is to use it to build maps like this one right here and use them in a game. So that way, make it easier to, it's a tool for making a game in batch. So I think it's pretty cool. Wasn't that all hard to do once I figured out how to make a system to make you able to move around like that. It's kind of complex to explain though. There is a thing that tries to explain it in there, and the code itself can always explain to some degree. Check it out, make some games with it, make sure you link back to me saying that you used this tool to make it, and send a link to me to download it because I want to check it out and maybe help you out and improve your stuff, whatever, just do stuff, be awesome, and goodbye.